Dhammam Namasami. Patipanno. Kind, loving awareness of your pain is the key to healing. I've been meditating since 1998 in the Buddhist tradition. By now, I can help people by looking inside their hearts and showing them what is their blockages, what is their pain, and gently, lovingly helping them to be kind with their pain and heal, let these go, and then cultivate self-love. In the workshop, we will do this again and again. And I find that through this, and by learning the Buddha's teachings, people come out with less pain, more inner love, and the ability to heal themselves.
Even though I've done a lot of meditation, he's explained it just in a very simple way that it just clicked for me.
The energy that he brings and the atmosphere, it really brings peace.
It's just wonderful to be around people who care about you and who want to see you grow and evolve.
Awareness, acceptance, and love.
Warm-hearted person and at the same time very professional and also I would say a little mystical.
Life becomes a journey of healing, of growing happiness and freedom.